you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.